Hot flashes, night sweats, mood swings. Sound familiar? If you're navigating the choppy waters of menopause, you're not alone. Menopause can be a challenging time, but the right approach can make it a lot more manageable. Let's explore some refreshing drinks that can help soothe menopause symptoms. From herbal teas to nutrient-rich smoothies, these beverages are not only delicious, but also packed with benefits to ease your menopause journey. A quick reminder, before we begin, remember, while these drinks can be helpful, they're part of a broader lifestyle approach to managing menopause. Always consult with your healthcare provider for personalized advice, especially if you have any health concerns or are on medication. Ready for some relief? Our first drink might just be what you need. Let's find out. Drink 1. Herbal tea. Why herbal tea? Let's spill the tea. Ever wondered why herbal tea is often recommended for menopause? It's because these teas are not just soothing to sip on. They're packed with natural compounds that can help alleviate menopause symptoms. From reducing hot flashes to improving sleep, herbal teas offer a gentle, natural way to ease your journey through menopause. Let's explore herbal teas that soothe and comfort. Some of the best herbal teas for menopause include chamomile, known for its calming properties, and red clover, which can help with hot flashes and night sweats. Green tea is another great choice, rich in antioxidants and known for its overall health benefits. Each of these teas brings its own unique blend of benefits to the table, offering natural relief during menopause. Here is how you can brew your way to relief. Start with fresh, cold water and bring it to a boil. Then, let your chosen tea steep for about 5 to 10 minutes to extract its full flavor and benefits. Enjoying a cup of herbal tea can be a relaxing ritual, giving you a moment of calm in your day. Next up, a simple yet powerful drink that's often overlooked. Stay tuned to discover a hydration hero that does more than just quench your thirst. Drink 2. Water. Is water the ultimate menopause elixir? Water might seem too simple to be effective, but it's a powerhouse when it comes to menopause management. Staying well hydrated is crucial during this phase of life. Water helps regulate body temperature, easing hot flashes, and supports overall bodily functions that can be affected by hormonal changes. Here is your secret weapon against hot flashes. Did you know that dehydration can actually trigger or worsen hot flashes and night sweats? Keeping your body hydrated helps maintain a stable body temperature, making those sudden heat surges less frequent and intense. Plus, adequate water intake supports your body's natural detox processes, which is vital during menopause. How to keep yourself hydrated all day. Drinking enough water doesn't have to be boring. Spice it up by infusing water with fruits like lemon, berries, or cucumber for a refreshing twist. Set reminders to drink water throughout the day and always carry a water bottle with you. Herbal teas and water-rich fruits and vegetables also contribute to your daily hydration. Our next drink is not just for breakfast anymore. It's a menopause must-have. Get ready to discover a creamy, comforting beverage that's a favorite in many households. Drink 3. Soy milk. Is it more than just a dairy alternative? Soy milk often comes up as a popular alternative to dairy, but did you know it can be particularly beneficial during menopause? This plant-based milk is rich in isoflavones, a type of phytoestrogen that can mimic estrogen in the body, potentially easing menopause symptoms like hot flashes. Wondering what is soy milk's role in balancing hormones? During menopause, the body's estrogen levels fluctuate and decline, leading to various symptoms. Soy milk's phytoestrogens can help balance these hormonal changes, providing a natural way to manage symptoms. Additionally, soy milk is a great source of calcium and vitamin D, which are important for bone health as estrogen levels decrease. Here are some delicious soy milk recipes for every day. Incorporating soy milk into your diet can be both easy and delicious. Try it in your morning cereal, blend it into smoothies, or use it as a base for soups and sauces. You can even make a comforting soy latte or a chilled soy milkshake. The versatility of soy milk makes it easy to enjoy its benefits in a variety of tasty ways. Feeling adventurous? The next drink is a tasty blend of health and flavor. Get ready to mix up your routine with a beverage that's both nutritious and delicious. Drink 4. Smoothies are your tasty ally. During menopause, smoothies are not just a treat. They're a fantastic way to support your body during menopause. Packed with essential nutrients, they can be tailored to address specific menopausal symptoms. Whether it's boosting your calcium intake for bone health or getting more antioxidants for overall well-being, smoothies are a delicious solution. What you need is nutrient-packed smoothies for hormonal balance. By blending the right ingredients, you can create smoothies that not only taste great, but also help balance hormones. Ingredients like flax seeds, rich in omega-3s, and berries, loaded with antioxidants, are perfect for menopause-friendly smoothies. Adding a scoop of protein powder or a handful of greens can further enhance their nutritional value. Let's whip up menopause-friendly smoothies. Creating the perfect smoothie is easy and fun. Start with a base of soy milk or yogurt for added phytoestrogens. Then add fruits like bananas or berries for sweetness and fiber. Don't forget to throw in some nuts or seeds for extra nutrients. Blend it all together, and you've got a refreshing drink that's good for your body and soul. This next drink is a timeless remedy, rich in benefits. Let's dive in and discover a traditional beverage that's been cherished for generations for its health-boosting properties. Drink 5. Bone broth, an ancient solution for modern menopause that still works. Bone broth, a staple in traditional diets across the globe, is making a comeback, and for good reason. This nutrient-rich broth is particularly beneficial for women going through menopause. Packed with minerals like calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, it's a natural way to support bone health, which is crucial during this time. How bone broth supports your body during menopause. Menopause can lead to a decrease in bone density, making you more susceptible to fractures. Bone broth is rich in collagen and amino acids, which are essential for bone strength and joint health. It also aids in gut health and can help reduce inflammation, making it a soothing and nourishing choice for menopausal women. Here are simple and nourishing bone broth recipes. Making bone broth at home is surprisingly simple. Start with high-quality bones, like chicken or beef. Add water, a splash of vinegar, and your choice of vegetables and herbs. Simmer it slowly to extract all the goodness. You can sip it warm, use it as a base for soups, or even cook grains in it for an extra nutrient boost. Craving something sweet and healthy? Our next drink ticks both boxes. Get ready for a delightful blend that's not only a treat for your taste buds, but also a boon for your menopausal health. Drink 6. Natural fruit juices. Is it a sweet path to menopause relief? Natural fruit juices can be a delightful and effective way to alleviate some menopause symptoms. Rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, these juices offer a natural approach to balancing hormones and boosting overall health. But it's not just any juice. The key is choosing the right fruits that align with your menopausal needs. What are the best juices for menopause symptoms? Certain fruits are particularly beneficial during menopause. For instance, citrus fruits are high in vitamin C, which supports adrenal gland function, crucial for hormone production. Berries are loaded with antioxidants that help combat oxidative stress. Juicing these fruits maximizes their benefits, providing a concentrated dose of nutrients that can help manage symptoms like hot flashes and mood swings. How to make these juices? At home for hormonal harmony. Creating your own fruit juices at home is both easy and rewarding. Try blending a mix of strawberries, blueberries, and a splash of orange juice for an antioxidant-rich drink. Or, for a vitamin C boost, juice some oranges, grapefruits, and a bit of lemon. These homemade juices are not only nutritious but also free from the added sugars often found in store-bought versions. Up next, a golden drink that's as beneficial as it is beautiful. This traditional beverage is a treasure trove of health benefits, especially for those navigating menopause. Stay tuned to unveil its magic. Drink 7. Golden milk. A turmeric treasure for menopause? Golden milk, a traditional drink rooted in Ayurvedic medicine, is gaining popularity as a natural remedy for menopause symptoms. Its main ingredient, turmeric, is known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. This golden spice can be particularly beneficial in managing menopausal symptoms like joint pain and mood swings. Dive into the magic of golden milk in easing menopause symptoms. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound that may help balance hormone levels and alleviate inflammation, making golden milk an excellent choice for menopausal women. When combined with other spices like black pepper, which enhances curcumin absorption, and calming cinnamon, golden milk becomes a powerful, health-boosting beverage. Let's craft the perfect cup of golden milk. Start by gently warming your choice of milk, then stir in turmeric, a pinch of black pepper, cinnamon, and a sweetener like honey or maple syrup. For an extra health kick, add a slice of fresh ginger. Enjoy this warm, comforting drink in the evening to unwind and promote better sleep. Our final drink is a fermented favorite with surprising benefits. Get ready to discover a probiotic powerhouse that's not only delicious, but also a fantastic ally during menopause. Let's explore. Drink 8. Kefir. Does this fermented wonder works for menopause wellness? Kefir, a fermented milk drink, is a lesser-known but powerful ally in menopause management. Rich in probiotics, it supports gut health, which is crucial for overall well-being, especially during menopause. The gut is often called the second brain and plays a key role in hormone regulation. Why kefir is a must-have during menopause. During menopause, maintaining a healthy gut is vital for managing symptoms and ensuring nutrient absorption. Kefir's probiotics help balance the gut microbiome, potentially easing menopausal symptoms like mood swings and bloating. Plus, it's a great source of calcium, essential for bone health as estrogen levels decline. Explore how to make your own kefir at home. Start with kefir grains and milk. Let it ferment, and you'll have a fresh batch of this probiotic-rich drink. You can enjoy it plain, blend it with fruits for a smoothie, or use it in salad dressings. Regularly incorporating kefir into your diet can be a delicious way to support your health during menopause. We've journeyed through a variety of drinks, each with its own unique benefits to help ease menopausal symptoms. From the calming effects of herbal teas to the probiotic richness of kefir, these beverages are not just refreshing, but also supportive of your health during this transition. Now it's your turn to explore these options and find your favorites. Experiment with these drinks and see how they can help you manage menopause symptoms more comfortably. Remember, every sip is a step towards better well-being. Enjoyed this guide? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments. We love hearing from you.